Sanibonani, dumelang, abusheni, hello bafethu. Igama osabelo umfana kaMdluli, back again, back with another video bafethu. Please don't forget, subscribe to your boy, like the video, comment down below. Whatever you wanna say, either you are disagreeing or you are agreeing with me, comment down below. Like the video, the most important one. Subscribe to the channel bafethu. Ngiyabonga for support yenu. But let's get into it bafethu. You know what I want to talk about. Let's talk about it. Talk of the town, TLP, Bison, Mbegezile Mbogazi. On my last video of Mbogazi bafethu, I said it and I didn't mince my word when I said this is gonna cost Mbogazi's international career, if I should say that, under Hugo Broos, let's just say that, izomkhosta. And guess what? Izomkhosta in foot World Cup spot. That World Cup spot izompayezisa bafethu. This move, I said it was quickly done, quickly concluded. There was no thinking upon it. Nongana meeting nyana. Mbogazi didn't consult abantu abalazi ibhola. The only thing I can help Mbogazi with is he went for Imali bafethu. Money was the issue la. Money was the issue. If Mbogazi didn't get the offer etholile bafethu, he was gonna still be a Pirates. But the money was too good to turn down. The agent, she's the big factor in this thing. The agent. Then outside people, outside influence, if it's abangani, friends, family, you know, your close colleagues, it stemmed from there. Run away with it. Life-changing money, they said it. But it's life-changing money. But it's gonna cost Mbogazi a World Cup spot, and it's gonna cost Mbogazi under Hugo Broos his place in the Bafana team. Because Hugo Broos said it last night, or should I say yesterday. He didn't mince his words when he said, the MLS, I do not rate that shit. That toilet bowl thing. Not a good move for Mbogazi. The fact that you feel late for a camp. Yeah, isn't this guy? It happens. You get delayed. Family problems. Personal issues. But Hugo Broos got me when he said, I do not rate that league. I am not happy that Mbogazi moved to the MLS. A perfect example in Ishiro last. Mailula, Cassius Mailula. Remember when he went to Toronto FC? What did Hugo Broos say? He is not coming back into the national team. Hugo Broos' words. Usho kanjalo Hugo Broos. He is not coming back to the national team because he knows ukuthi la udlala khona the standard is not that high to EPSL. The PSL, I'm sorry, it's much better than the MLS bafethu. MLS into bayenzayo, they sign washed up former should I say washed up former world-class players. Messi is still world-class. I don't consider him world-class anymore because sakadlala ku MLS. Njengo Ronaldo, I don't consider him world-class anymore. But the igama uMessi, I'm talking about the now, people, the now. Messi is not world-class now. Yeah, he can do a lot of things. Yeah, there and there. He's not world-class. You've got Heung-min Son. Udlala in Los Angeles FC. World-class, former world-class. Doesn't work, Buffett. MLS. Hugo Broos. Oh. Yeah, ne? He said, I will talk to him. When he comes into my room, he will come in as a black person. He will leave my room as a white person. I'm not. I don't see that offensive or in any way. I don't know what it meant, but it was not offensive. It was just straight to the point where Hugo Broos is very angry with Mbogazi. Pitching up late and that move to the MLS. Not a good move. The agent, I said it. Money talks. Money. So ironic that song Donald Trump Umbokazi uyodlala le USA ecountryini yaka-Donald Trump. The president of the United States is Donald Trump. Money, 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 money. Money. When can you turn down dollars? As a South African, as a 20-year-old, would you turn down dollars? No, you wouldn't. No, you would not. But Umbokazi for me should have gotten better advice, should have gone to abantu aba-relative, abantu abalaziyo ibhola, abantu abaziyo ukuthi i-career yakho izospenda kanjani. If you are serious about your career, if you are serious. If Umbokazi is like, you know what, this is generational wealth, I'm not gonna stop myself from going there and earning this type of money. I get it, bafethu. Wealth, generational wealth, umndeni wakho lana kuthi babe right for the next 10-20 years. You don't know. Look at Hlongwane has been playing in the US for 4 years now. 4 years. Have you ever heard of Hlongwane ukuthi he is coming back to the PSL? No, because he's earning better money down there in the US of A. Umbokazi, you've blown it, boy. For me, you've blown it in terms of your World Cup. You wanna play with AFCON? I put my hands up. You are first choice. Hugo Boss will not drop you. There's no way. After the season you've had, or 2025 you've had, he's not gonna drop you because on a momentum. You are there. You are one of our best players. But Hugo Boss, what he will do, he will not call you for your World Cup. You are not special. That's what he said. He thinks he's a better player now. No. You are not Steven Pinara. You are not Benny McCarthy. You are not Teko Modise. You are not Simphiwe Tshabalala. You are not Itumeleng Nkune. Yabona amagama engiwabizile manje. Chef Kiss bafethu. They are world class in terms of Bafana. Umbokazi is a 20-year-old bafethu. Angeke sithembele Umbokazi ukuthi uzoswinela iAFCON. No. Still young. Ngeke simncenge Umbokazi. If he goes to the States, let him be. World Cup, you are not going there, bafethu. You are not going. There are players who would love the opportunity to take your team. I mean your place. There are many players, but at the moment Umbokazi is playing at a level that you cannot drop him. I'm not gonna drop him too. Hugo Boss is not gonna drop Umbokazi. But mark my words, June next year, you will not see Umbokazi in that flight going to the US of A. Unless uzohlala lapha eStates ke ahlale abukele ama-game wonke. That's it, bafethu. That's my rant. I don't know ngithi ngithini na. And wait, soccer bets. There's a clip that I saw from soccer bets on YouTube, where this guy from Chicago, whatever, is it admin or is he a supporter? I don't know. The brother said he's shocked ukuthi Hugo Boss said those words about Umbokazi. He said if a coach talks like that about a player here in the US of A, they would fire you quickly. US of A, Diski, really? Are you mad? What's football without the criticism? Criticize the player. Umbokazi is gonna stick here. He's gonna play his socks out. Hugo Boss will have a good talk with him. Bese wena mlungu uzongitshela ukuthi you bozomqosha Hugo Boss if he said those words about one of your players. What the fuck? Who are you? No man, soccer bets alilandi nabantu aba-relevant man. Hayi abantu babiza idiski. Soccer. It's football, it's not soccer. It's football, not soccer. Okay, bafethu, that was my 2 cents I wanted to share nani Umbokazi. Because personally for me, I've said it, I'm not happy with his move. I'm not happy with the move. Should have waited. Patient. There's a AFCON. Play well there. You got scouts every fucking way, bro. France, Germany, England, Italy. You would have gone there. I bet. World Cup, yeah. angazi nanithini bafethu. Umbokazi, is he going to the World Cup? Well, he is in the squad of AFCON, but World Cup, Mbokazi, are we gonna see Mbokazi in 2026 in June? I doubt it. Ngitsheleni nina ukuthi nithini bafethu. Comment down below. Do you agree or disagree with what I've just said now? My 2 cents, angazi nanithini bafethu. Personally, I'm not happy with the move, but it's a good move for Umfana. Money, 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 and the agent too. Bafethu, ngiyabonga for ungilalelani. Thank you for the support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. I'll continue doing that. Ningakhohlwa bafethu. AFCON iyaqala next week. Bafana, first game against Angola. Watch along. Mbukelani, watch along bafethu. Don't miss out. Ngiyabonga bafethu. Thanks for the support. Peace.